Hey everyone, it's Haley. I'm back with another New York City vlog. Today, Carm and I are heading into the city because I got invited to go do something fun and I need Carm's help filming me. We're also gonna grab some pictures while we're there. You know, the usual. I can't wait to bring you guys along and show you guys what I'm up to today. But I just got to the train station. I'm waiting for Carm to get here. It's also drizzling right now, which wasn't on the forecast, and it's still not on the forecast. It says it's mostly cloudy, which it is, but it's drizzling. That's fun. I hope that this goes away. We'll find out when we get there. But let's head on over there and I'll see you guys in New York.
We're here. I'm taking over. Period. Ah. What are you picking?
They told me like heard about
They're so cute.
other than
material. Oh, interesting. You try it. Won't hurt to try. They're blinged out. Let's look at this. Wait. Oh. Can you even get shoes? Those kind of slay. Oh. Actually, that. Content fillers. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh, cute. How much?
That's my whole, that's my whole story right there.
She has a 1,500 watch. And that's 14. It is hot, guys. We're sweating. Oh, the print. Cute. Do we love her face?
What is this? It's not 1,400.
It's not the worst. Interesting. Oh, it's a coat. Oh, it's like a crop top. Interesting. Would you wear it again? After Fashion Week? Yeah. True. Yeah. Yeah. No.
my area that I'm not.
That's something. True. Unbuttoned a little. Maybe tucked in one. Something. Okay. What is this? Yeah. Hold on to it. Try it that with the pants.
I'm gonna try all this.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Wait, that matches. The second one matches more with the pants. Yeah. Yeah, literally. Whoa, decked out. Whoa. She's gonna be $2,000. And the results say, how much? What? What? That's kind of cute for $825. Are you sure? That's a zero? Like a tuxedo dress? Oh, I see. I think it could be. Yeah, they're black, right? I think, yeah, for $825, I think. Oh, for $825, I think so. Thoughts?
Guys.
Agree. Yeah.
Still try this on.
Yeah. Do they have another one? Maybe this is a sign. Is it recording already? Okay. Guys, we're done. What time is it? Time check.
That's a workout.
Say bye to the store.
Hey everyone, I just finished a little shopping spree. Hope you guys enjoyed my little experience
at this place.
But no, I got some fun pieces. I'm gonna style for Fashion Week, so I'm very excited about that. And I'm actually going to their presentation, so I get to wear the outfit there. That's fun. But now it's picture time. We're set up camp already on the side of the road. But yeah, picture time. Okay y'all, we finished our first pictures and then we made our way down to like Soho area because Carm has to go into the store for a collab. And then we're gonna grab our second outfit pictures and go from there. Yeah. Hi, buddy. You will not believe what just happened. A lot of things just happened. First of all, on our way to take our second outfit pictures, looking for a spot, we're at a crosswalk, and we look over, and it's Keenan. No, we were like fangirling, like we got pictures with her. That was the first thing. Then we got our second outfit pictures done. And we're like heading to the subway and we round the corner and we see the Jeremy Allen White billboards, which we didn't think we were gonna see. That was chaotic and crazy, but now we're getting food because we're starving and then we're gonna head home. Hi everyone. So it's been a few days since New York. I forgot to end the vlog, but I'm back home in my room. I thought I would do a little haul for you guys of what I got. So let's get into it. Here we have the bag. I am actually very excited about one of the pieces that I got because I'm going to wear it to their presentation for Fashion Week. So I'm super excited to style it and put it together. Let me show you this piece. Can we just talk about this blazer for a second? Are you kidding me? She is gorgeous, bedazzled everywhere. The back as well. I don't know how I'm gonna style this yet, but it's gonna be good. Stay tuned for the pics. Next, I got these brown, they're like a dark brown pant, giving like jeggings vibes, like the jeans and the leggings, because it's like it has the loops, the fake pockets, the back has the butt pockets. They are probably the comfiest pants I put on my body. They're like a fit and flare style. Super cute, super soft, and I got a size 24, which is my normal size. They fit perfect, like a glove. Okay, we have 3 more things left. Couldn't get too many things because they're a little pricey. Next thing I got was this super soft, like insanely soft, plain basic t-shirt. And I don't even know how to describe how soft this shirt is. It's like a nice heather gray color. Next, another basic piece. I got a plain white turtleneck. She is also very, very soft. Do have like a white turtleneck already, but it's cropped. And I've been wanting a nice quality, like normal sized one. So this is perfect. And the last thing, this is actually Carm's piece that she picked. I forgot to give it to her. Sorry, Carm. But she just grabbed this cute little shirt. It's like, I think it's like a map of Paris. It's super cute. It's like giving like newspaper, but it's like a map. Very cute. Good pick, Carm. But that is it. That is all I got. I'm super excited to style this blazer. Can't wait for you guys to see. But that's everything I got. I'm sorry for not ending my vlog. Totally forgot. I rushed to get back onto the train and there were no seats on the train because it was so packed, and it was an overwhelming time. So I didn't finish it, but I'm finishing it now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming along with me. New York Fashion Week is next week. I will be vlogging the entire time, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.